is the deal? Green is in the house. All right, we can get the party started now. Now we can get it going. What's good, Green? Ken FX, good morning. I knew I couldn't trust this gold 1 hour candle here. I knew it. How y'all doing today? Morning, Joe. Good morning, brother Joe. 9 away from 400 subs. Can we get there today? We'll see. We will see. Joe, how was the gym? Chest and tries, nice. Most people still in La La Land, yeah. Yup. Most people are still in La La Land. Nice. A lot of action in the Discord for the London session, huh? I bought the 30-minute 5 a.m. candle. I figured it would take one candle, but then jumped on lower time frames. Yeah, gold. I was thinking about taking an entry right here on gold, the break of this high, but I didn't want to get in nothing without y'all, man. I was thinking about you guys. I wanted to wait. All right. Hope you guys are doing good today. It's today Wednesday. Wednesday, the 29th. Holy. 29th of March. April is coming. April is on the way. All right. So, what do we do here again, chat? Oh yeah, we trade. That's right. Okay, cool. Let's get to it. Hope you guys are having a good morning. I'm having a great morning. Nice morning routine just finished up, and now we begin. So, okay, cool. So let's take a look here. All right. So today's another day, and that means it's another day to be disciplined, right? We had a 1 hour close here on gold. Let me just take a look at this. Yeah, we need a bottom wick. All right, let's do a breakdown on gold real quick, and then we'll get to the chart. So, did I send that Zoom link? Yes. All right, let's do it. We are preparing for takeoff. All right, so let's take a look at here at this weekly time frame on gold. Couple things, right? We're massively bullish, right? We've been pushing up since 1645 here, pushed up, came down, continue pushing up, ran into this level of resistance here, and looks like we kind of hit the pause button on the bullish drive here, right? Candle right here closed with no top wick. Next candle closed bearish, formed a resistance. Now we don't know if we want to continue down. This current candle has no top wick. So wow, yeah, a bit interesting here on gold, right? So weekly time frame, we've created a resistance, but we do have no top wick here. So chances are this candle can come up and certainly make a top wick for us by the end of the week here today. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, because that makes sense on the daily. We did close bullish yesterday, very little top wick, but we are in this uptrend here, right, on the daily time frame. So previous daily candle closed bullish, right? This candle right here closed bullish, created a support, and now price has made a bottom wick, and chances are if this candle flips up, we can come retest these highs up here at some point here today, right? So pretty bullish on the day here with gold. It's really all about the lower time frames now, right? We have if you guys notice, when we created a support here, the next candle was able to push up after making a bottom wick and come and retest these, you know, this level of resistance over here. So that's what I'll be expecting today, that once this candle does flip and break the high, that we can continue on up here today. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it's trying to create a support at this point, right? You had a really nice exhaustion wick to the downside, right? Price was created a resistance and started pushing down, and then created some sort of exhaustion wick, and now we are right here, right? We've trying to establish a support. We have broken this high. Chances are that this candle right here closes bullish at 9 a.m. and then the next one continues to rally. So that's what the 4 hour is looking like. See if we can get this actual support formed, because if we can get this support formed right here, then we can have true confidence with price pushing all the way back up now. So pretty bullish again on gold. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is 1 hour has a support that we formed, and no resistance just yet. No resistance at all. One thing we do know is we did close above this level here on the 1 hour time frame. Next candle pushed up, but didn't really do what I was expecting it to do, right? So you have a strong bullish candle, another strong bullish candle. This candle's getting a bit weak, and now this candle's coming down to make a bottom wick. So what I was anticipating here was possibly a 1 hour candle to close like this, and then the next one to be able to pop, right? 8 o'clock. What's going on here? 8 o'clock NY volume coming in. That's where we could probably see the push and look something like this. So that's something I'd be open for. This would be considered somewhat of a discombobulated sellery play, right? If we can get this here, bearish closure above this zone here, and we could look to take buys on the NY open at the break of these highs. Volume coming in, price should be able to make its way up into these ranges up here today. So just an idea there for the NY open. But let's take a look at this 30-minute time frame. So yeah, we're starting to get some rejections, pretty decent bullish candles, and now they're getting a little bit weaker at this point. So I think we are, if we're gonna base our trade today off of the 30-minute time frame, right now we are in this range, right? So above this range is very clean traffic to the left hand side. We do have the rejection, so if price does close above there, it's gonna do what none of these candles were able to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles attempted to close above this range, but has not been able to happen yet. So once we do get a candle to close above this range, chances are pretty likely that we can continue up today. Right, next candle should be able to pop something like this, and we should be able to make our way up to this 1974, even 1975 mark here today. So another idea for a breakout. So I think we're kind of caught in this range right now on the 30-minute time frame. Wouldn't really be too interested here, and that's what I was looking at on this 1 hour time frame, is that we did have a lot of choppiness right here. So once we do make it up past that, I think we are pretty clean in these ranges here, right? So that's probably what I'll be waiting for here today. Closure back above this area here, that'll indicate let's see what the daily, where's the daily flip? Daily flip is up here. So let's mark that off real quick. Yeah, if we can get a close above here, that's going to be anticipating the daily flip, and we could have some really nice runners today. What is this? This is a 50 pip range, and then above that, you know, that's the break of the daily high. So above that, man, we should really continue up. So let's mark this off as well. Yeah, I think that's pretty clean. I'll probably end up, if we don't get positions, I'll probably end up staying out of this range as well. This range is a bit choppy, but anything up here is pretty clean. Anything in here is pretty clean, but this area is just a bit choppy, and this area as well. Right, so really not too interested in gold sells at all today. Based off the daily, based off of the weekly having no top wick, daily very bullish, 4 hour looking to create a support. I think the buys are the play here today. You may experience a nice pullback here, but I doubt I'll be taking any sells. If I do take sells today, it's probably gonna be below here. Let's look left. Let's scroll left. Yeah, that makes sense. So I'll probably look for sells below here if anything. Unless we start creating some ranges down here, you know, or start creating a break and a retest, a range 2, all that good stuff. Other than that, not really too interested in sells here today. We have created a nice bottom wick at this point. We've respected the low. Chances are this candle can continue pushing up. So buys should be in play today. So here's what we're looking at. We're looking at this range right here. Buys above this range right here, which is 1969, 220. If we can get a closure above here, I believe that technicals say we are good to go, right? And we could look to hold positions up into this area here today. So pretty decent range here on gold. Just need a breakout, right? That's all we need is a simple breakout. Sells are very tough, because at any point in this daily candle, if we do pull down, we can always push back up at any point, and you don't want to get faked out, right? So unless we start getting range 2 sells probably below here, not too interested in sells. So let's mark this off. Range 2 sells below here, or we just wait for cleaner sells down in these ranges here, right here. But we'll just leave it like that for now, and we'll adjust as the session continues on. But would expect a nice healthy pullback here. Something that we can pull back, create a support, and then continue back up. All right, we pushed up pretty heavily during the London session here today. So for those that caught these buys in London, congrats. Looking clean. I don't really see an entry that I would have taken though, outside of probably this candle right here. You had a support formed, bottom wick, pushed up, and maybe this one. These two had no bottom wick, so I wouldn't have gotten in that. Possibly this candle right here after support though. But I was sleeping at that time, so didn't miss the move. All right, so yeah, that's gonna be the story here on gold today. I'm gonna stay out of this range here. Not gonna touch anything in this range from 1966 to 1969, but if we do get a closure above, I will be very, very, very interested in taking buys up here. And range 2 sells below here. And if you can, depends on what time it is and how price action looks, but you know, if you can start to create ranges like this, right, and create supports, right, and pull back up, something like this, and then continue down, then maybe we could look for sells below this level here, right? But for now, not really looking to get into any sells, you know. But if price does kind of give us something like this and it's volume time, then we may be able to take sells coming down. So got to be ready for both, but just keep in mind we are bullish on the day. But if we do get some sort of a range like this, then the potential is there for sells. So keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on this 4 hour as well here today. And yeah, that's the story here on gold. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's just another day like any other day. We're gonna sit tight, wait for ranges, wait for price to print familiar price action, and then you know, when our setup shows up, that's when we will execute. Sound good? $23 watching, 9 likes. Can we get some likes? Throw us a like and a sub to the channel if you're tuning in today. Let's take a look at pound yen here as well. So pound yen, weekly time frame, right? Pretty bearish. We haven't broken the weekly high yet. We have made a low, so chances are this could potentially be a top wick, right? We're not bullish yet until we really break this high on the weekly time frame, but we are pushing up pretty heavy here. So one thing we could say is we do have a resistance, right? We have a resistance up here. We do have a support down here, and right now we're just in this range. At any point, as long as this high doesn't break the wick, then we can continue to push down, break these lows, fill this wick no problem, and maybe even come into these areas here today, between today and tomorrow. So yeah, weekly time frame is pushing up pretty nicely though. Let's take a look at the daily. Oh damn, daily celery play here. So very nice push up on the daily time frame, right? You got a wick to fill over here. You had a beautiful celery play on the daily time frame, and price is doing what price does, right? That's familiar price action. We know this play very well. Once it broke that high, chances are it was gone, and that's a goner right there. So let's take a look left, see what we got going on here. If we can get a close, this is a 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame is making really nice push up. We're approaching this resistance right here, so we got to be careful. And just because we're approaching the resistance, that doesn't mean that price is going to reject it, right? It just means we're approaching it. So we have to be a bit cautious. We have to wait for some sort of closure here on the lower time frame. But if you look left, we do have clean price action to the left hand side, so this would be the ideal range to trade in, unless you were trading London. And looks like you could have probably had positions right above this area here, so could have took advantage of that move. So I think some people caught that, right, in the London session. Pretty sure I've seen that. in the Discord. So yeah, so let's wait here. I think it's best to probably wait for a 1 hour close above this area here at 163, 181. And yeah, we'll wait for that. Sells look pretty clean below the support here. We're gonna need a range 2 though. So we're gonna need a range 2 sell, so below 1962, 285 here. So, but other than that, we have clean traffic on the left-hand side for buys. It's about a 90 pip range here. And then we do have clean traffic below here as well for sells, right? We're gonna need a range 2, but if we do get a range 2, then we look pretty clean to come on down. It's about a 67 pip range here, 60 pip range that we can take advantage of. So that is what it's gonna look like here for GJ. But this range here, you see how it's a bit wicky, a bit nasty here. You really don't want to sell below this support because there's just too many rejections, right? Too many rejections. So I'm gonna be waiting for buys above this area here and sells below here. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Range 2 sells, buys above, pretty clean. 30-minute, yeah, I think that's good. Trying to just see if there's anything else to the left. Prices come up to this area quite a few times and rejected, right? Right around here. So we really don't want to take buys right now. So that's why the buys are above 163 here. Because there's been many times where prices approach this area and push back down, right? Approached, push back, approached, push down, approached it, push down, right? So we don't want to be involved in that. So we're just gonna wait for clean buys above there, right? And that is the deal. Keep it on the 1 hour. And yeah, look to take profits up here today.
What's going on, Nick?
Yo, yo. Yeah, I think that's pretty clean. What up, Sam?
Nothing much.
Good morning, brother.
Morning.
How was London session?
Pretty good. We got that W.
Yeah, I seen that.
In the chat. I don't know if you saw it in the Discord.
Yeah, I was briefly skimming through it just now. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Discord. For those that are new, we have a free Discord. You guys are more than welcome to jump in. The link's in the description. Come on in. Got a lot of good traders in here. A lot of action going on in here. And if you haven't subbed to the channel, throw us a like, throw us a sub. We're here every day, Monday through Friday, so you're more than welcome to come join us here. So let's see what happened during the London session. Was this today? Yes, it's all today. Wow. The boys are up at 3 a.m. Sheesh.
Yeah. I'm up all night every night.
Sammy boy was up all night.
My bedtime's like 1 p.m.
Oh damn, BTC. Okay, George, trading Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's actually wild.
All right. Wow. A lot of trades taken in London tonight.
Yeah, them boys were eating. And then right around 3 a.m., that's when I started to look at it because I'll just wait till London open.
Yeah.
But
Wow.
What was it? I was just like checking out the DXY, and I saw we were at like a very key reversal point.
Yeah.
And then at the same time, gold was at that support. We had a nice weak 30-minute candle. Then we had this nasty 15-minute that came up and engulfed the previous. And I took mine to break the high. Went into a little bit of drawdown.
Yeah.
But then eventually it would have been up. And I thought so holding to be up like 50 pips, but I took my 20 and I got away.
Skated out. Yep. Nice.
Hit my break even.
Okay. Not bad. 20 pips and then BE.
Right.
That's
yeah,
lit.
I can't complain, especially when it's not really even my session.
Yeah. Exactly. Dope. Wow. Yeah. A lot of trades taken here.
Yo, good morning.
Yo.
Morning, boys.
Morning, John.
Morning, Johnny
Sam. Morning,
boy.
Nick. Morning, chat.
What up?
I think this current 4 hour for gold looks like it wants to come down.
Yeah.
Or right now, at least. Maybe come back to 1963s.
Let's take a look here. We don't have a bottom wick, right? Yeah, no bottom wick on that 4 hour.
Yeah, that's when I think it might flip. The 30 minutes breaking the lows of all the previous.
Yeah.
Looks like it's doing a nice rainbow.
A rainbow. Yep. Yeah, I see that. This was I was thinking about taking an entry here.
If it closed back below.
No, like pre-New York, I seen this candle close above, but I really wasn't paying attention. I was doing a few other things. It was like an hour ago. And yeah, it just pushed up about like 10 pips, I think.
Yeah, look, it's got a little range.
Wasn't really worth it.
Right.
But yeah, we'll see. I mean, we are due for a nice healthy little pullback and a support formed here, so that's probably what I'd be expecting, unless we just muck around in this range and then break out. Yeah, this range you want to stay out of here. You don't want to mess with this one.
I'd like if the 4 hour can make a bottom wick and come back up bullish.
Yeah, that'd be good. Break the 1 hour highs, break the 30 highs, grab liquidity down here, get like a fake out. So like on the 30 minute, looks something like some sort of like a fake out and come down. And then the push back up.
Yeah, that would be beautiful.
Because then we could say,
Just like
okay,
that.
we got a support now.
Yeah, and then by then it'll have made that 4 hour bottom wick.
Yep.
Looks
Yeah.
good. Yeah, it looks perfect. That's exactly what I think.
That'd be beautiful.
So I'd love to see.
Yep. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking for here today, chat. Because this it would be really nice. We haven't gotten any support yet on this nice rally up. So if we can establish a support somewhere, that would give us a lot more force to push up, right? Right now the force is coming from down here. So you notice how it gets weaker and weaker as we continue up, right? Starts getting pretty weak, getting weaker. So we need a new area where we can basically launch off of, right? That's kind of the analogy. And yeah, that'd be pretty nice if we can create that support. A new launching pad for takeoff. Hope y'all had your dolphin milk this morning. Yes, sir. Gold's about to get his dolphin milk right now.
Bruh. Now that you say that, where the f did I put my chocolate milk? Because I know it's not in my bag.
He's got it in his book bag.
I got a whole box of Rice Krispies, yo. My grocery getter.
Oh, that's that you don't. Who needs a grocery cart when you got a JanSport? Come on.
That's right. Yeah, all that extra shit. Yeah, I get gains from carrying my bags. I'd make one trip.
Yeah.
What do they call that? what do they call that when you're just walking holding the dumbbells?
One
I can't. Yeah,
Is it
lunges.
farmer's walk?
Yeah, farm or something. I can't
Yeah,
think of what it's
farmer.
called though.
Oh yeah.
Something like that. Bro, what is it exactly called? Now I can't.
Farm
even
or
think.
something, right?
Farmer's walk, I thought.
Yeah,
Farmer's
something
walk?
like that.
Maybe Scott would know. Scott's a power lifter.
Yeah, farmer's walk. Okay. I thought there was a different name that was like super similar. I thought it was something.
There definitely could be.
Yeah,
Yeah, farmer's walk. He said, "Yep."
farmer's walk. Johnny Boy was right. Yeah, Johnny Boy got it right.
Okay.
Good morning,
4 hour.
Scott. I didn't even see that in the chat till now.
Yeah, morning, Scott.
Scott's
Morning,
in
George.
the building.
Yeah, morning, George. Morning, Scott. Morning, Joe Stewart. Morning, Bowser.
Joey Stew is in the house.
Morning, Bowser.
Joe got his workout in too. And
Joe, what'd you hit
20,
today?
30 others. We got 30 other people on here. Shout out to all you other 30 people. Was good. Thanks for coming by. Oh, there we go. Can we get this 4 hour bottom wick and then push back up?
Got dolphin milk. Yes, sir.
Dolphin milk coming in hot here. Here it goes. Here it goes. Bottom wick at Can we get it? Can we get it? There's also no bottom wick on this 1 hour here too, so he's helping his buddy out here. And there it is. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nothing
Gone.
like a plan that comes together. Do, 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 do. All right, there it is. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's see if we can get a close here with no bottom wick for a fake out. So you see how clean this looks? This is like a price action's dream right here. And I would get into these sells all day 2 years ago, and this is exactly where I would get faked out, right? Just having buys above, sells below. Now it doesn't mean that price can't drive down here. Don't get me wrong. Price can still push down here, no problem. But anytime I was faked out, it was always in a situation like this where we were going against a daily bias. There was clean traffic to the left-hand side. You had a closure below, and that's usually the times where those fake outs are gonna pop, because every trader is just pressing the sell button once that candle closes. And now what happens is the idea is to continue pushing down to the support. But when you're going against a daily bias, remember this candle is just making a bottom wick. So at any point, this candle can continue pushing up, right? So that's typically where you're gonna see the fake out happen. On a 30-minute time frame with clean traffic to the left-hand side, looks perfect, right? That's usually where the fake out's gonna happen. Where everything looks so blind up, perfect, beautiful top wick. Yeah, you usually see candles close back in the range here. And this is what we just drew out too, right? Again, not saying it can't drive, but I'm saying this is typically where I see the fake out happen. Plus, one thing we also learned about with the bottom wicks, right? We've now created a bottom wick for his buddy over here to the left, right? So now price could, you know, continue pushing up.
Damn, GJ's pushing.
Pushing. No bottom wick, huh? On the 30? GJ had a nice little celery play here, pumping up now. This is all clean, but if we weren't so high in the zone, then we could look for potential positions, but we're pretty high at this point.
Oh, it's like, I'll be right back. I gotta deal with something.
Do your thing, brother. Do it up, do it up. Well, what's good, chat? How's everyone doing? Bottom wick is needed, yep. Morning, fellas. There's always a fake out move from 7 to 8. Yeah, it typically happens before NY open. 7 a.m. usually gives a push, right? So that's what you've seen here. And then 7:30 is usually the fake out. George, Mr. BTC in the building. Nice trade there on Bitcoin, bro. Oh man. We're gonna need that dolphin milk. Did you take anything in London, John?
Nah, I didn't take anything. Nothing that caught my eye.
Nice. Been sample sizing it for a while. Nice, dude. Dope.
Good shit, George.
I think I've taken one trade on Bitcoin. Yeah, nothing to do now. Now we just wait. For those that are going to take these sells, good luck. Good luck. We'll wait for this hour candle to close here. I remember that trade you took on Bitcoin, you do? Yeah, it was a win. It was a win. I took the win and that was it. Hey, thanks, George. Green remembers. That was a while ago. Can't believe you remember that. That was a minute. Oh, nice. Pushing, pushing. Now we definitely have a bottom wick here. Yeah, I'm staying out of cells here. If we get a close below here, then I might be interested. Green, should we look at NZD USD here today? Or are we done with that pair? I remember Green used to trade NZD USD. Right? Was that the pair? I think that was it. I know it was NZD. Watch him out. You stupid, bruh. You stupid. No. Damn. Let's see if I still have it on my watch list. The only reason I had it up here was for green. No, I don't have it anymore. No mas. No mas. Hey John, how'd you like that pick?
Oh yeah, that shit was crazy.
Should we
How
show?
long ago?
Should we show the chat? Well, they
Go
don't.
ahead.
They don't really know what you look like now, so
Yeah, I know.
they wouldn't really be able to tell the difference.
Well, I bet.
That's because you never come on video because you're shy.
Well, nah, dude. I would. It's like on my phone.
I'm just kidding. Kiwi dollar?
Like I could what?
Nah, someone said Kiwi dollar.
Like I could put my phone and set it up, and then I might grab it, you know?
Yeah.
So just wait till I get my computer and shit set up.
All right, chat's gonna be waiting.
But
Chat's gonna be waiting on that. Don't let them down. Hey, y'all like my uniform? I'm like a cartoon character on this stream. I just keep one uniform. Well, you know, I switch it up here and there, but it's the uniform, man. It's the trading uniform. Okay. That's what they call NZD USD, Kiwi dollar. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Kiwi dollar. GJ ripping. And now look at you, Green, trading gold USD. Holy. You went from 7 pip 30-minute candle to a 70 pip 30-minute candle pair. Kiwi dollar, that's like watching paint dry. The reason why a lot of people trade those random pairs is because they have very little spread. Usually, it doesn't cost much to trade those pairs. Can we crack 400 subscribers today? If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, give us a like, throw us a subscription. And come tune in, come join us, man. We're here every single day. This really hasn't done much just yet. It looks like it did because I had it all spread out like that, but really want to see this candle close back in the range before NY open here. Ooh. It's a stable coin. The Kiwi dollar. Kiwi. Pound yen. Pushing. Whoa. You have a US30 buy running, nice. US30 pushing up here on this weekly time frame, huh? Filling this wick. Daily celery play in action. Four-hour. Yeah, buys are pretty clean above these 4-hour highs. Do. Look at these 1-hour candles, man. They're doing nothing. Nothing on US30. Yeah, GJ's pretty clean above here, man. You got a nice clean price action here. Tandy.
What up, boys?
There he is.
Yo, what up, Tandy?
How you guys doing today? What's up, chat?
He's bringing the energy. I like it. How was the gym?
I'm nervous.
Why?
I got the new job, bro.
Oh, you got it? Congrats, dude.
Yeah.
So you start today?
No? Yep, so today's the first day.
Looking good. I see a nice black button up you got on.
What it is, the Olive Garden.
There's
that Olive Garden.
The boy's flexing.
What you want super salad?
Super salad, my friend. You look like a Red Lobster's. You guys want more biscuits? No doubt. You know I got you.
Pizza? You want some red band pizza? Yeah, I got you. Hot lenses.
Yeah, my boy's about to kill it in the real estate game. If you guys are in Tampa, you need a house, holla at your boy Tangy.
I'm doing like foreclosed houses, so if you want like that foreclosed crack house, I got you.
Hey, not a bad deal.
Not bad at all.
Turn the crack house into your own house.
Hey,
Chilling. Just don't walk outside without your gun, and you're good to go.
home is where the crack rock is. That's what they always say.
The interior is beautiful. Just don't step outside.
Dude, that's Florida homes to the T, bro. Shitty as fuck on the outside. Inside is amazing though.
That's
Wow.
hilarious.
Okay.
Oh shit. Nah, you're gonna kill it, bro. So did you need are they getting you set up with like a license, or are you doing this without a license and just
Yeah,
like
I'm just doing it without a license at first, since this is just like tax deed properties. Anybody can do it. It's
Okay.
pretty much like the city needs money for it, so they allow anyone to jump on as long as you have the money to back it up. That's
Gotcha.
pretty much all. That's the only proof that they need. And then other than that, you just buy and sell.
shit, I might get into that hustle.
You could literally just do it from home, bro. It's a government website that shows all of the properties on there, and you just give them cash offers.
Oh wow.
I've returned.
Not bad.
Tandy.
What up, Sammy boy?
Sam's
What
back.
up, Tandy?
Sammy the
No, I
boy.
heard a little bit of what you're talking about. I've heard about that. Is it like the properties that people haven't paid taxes on?
Exactly. Yep. Property
Yeah, I've
tax.
heard about that.
Yeah.
That might be nice to get into.
Yeah,
And that's
it
what I'm
is.
thinking, dude. Because I've always wanted to get into real estate, but didn't want to do this. Well, I'll do the schooling. I just didn't have the money for it. But
Yeah. For a second, I thought you were talking about wholesaling at first.
nah.
Whole-
That's what I wanted.
Wholesaling is lit, bro. Wholesaling.
Yeah.
Yeah,
is
wholesaling would be crazy.
100%. And that's what they do as well. Is they just starting people off. They're like, there's so many of these properties, and they're so easy to get that like makes it easy for you to make money in the beginning.
Damn.
Yeah, like that sounds awesome.
Damn. Yeah, no, that's dope, bro.
Shit, we
Congrats.
like it when we make money.
Yeah.
There's a million ways to get it. Choose one.
Choose one.
Choose two. Choose two, so you got a pair. That's what's up, though, man.
Yeah.
Congrats.
I'm
So you are you working from home, or how does it work?
No, I'm
Morning,
in
Jay.
downtown St. Pete. Yo, what up, baby boy?
Yeah,
Baby
Jay's
boy
here
in the lime green today,
Good morning.
sipping on
Morning,
that
Jay.
scissor.
Yo.
Dang.
But yeah, I'm in downtown St. Pete right now.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. It looked dark
Showing
out for a
houses?
minute.
What?
Showing houses.
Nah, just going to the office, about to shadow for my day.
Oh, nice.
Very nice, bro.
Word.
That's dope. So no more at the other spot then.
Nope, got cussed out again, so
Gotcha.
Did you give him the middle finger though?
I'm about to. Yeah,
Middle
buddy.
finger.
Better, bro.
Middle
I
finger.
swear, if you don't,
Yeah.
better.
Oh,
Yeah, you
dude,
put a
if
lot
I
of-
do,
You like shit, you might as well tell him off before you
I'm gonna
leave.
DDT slam him off the top rope.
You better RKO his ass.
DDP.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Nah, you put a lot of work in for that guy, man. So that's
Yeah, it sucks.
hey.
It feels
Tell
like
everybody
that.
out there, don't work hard for your bosses, work hard for
Yeah.
yourself.
Well,
Nah,
choose
nah.
wisely. Choose wisely. I could tell that he wasn't the right person to put in the work for. But, you know, I feel like that, I don't know. I feel like that miner that's so close to gold and he's just like turning back, so I don't know.
Let him be, bro. Let him be.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nah, that's good, man. It'll work out for you, bro.
100%. It always does, you know?
Always.
From the grace of God, everything
Amen.
always works out.
Amen.
Yep.
We'll be praying for you, bro.
I appreciate it. You guys already
Quick
do
little
it.
prayer right here on the session right here, Nick.
Oh,
That's
Heavenly
the
Father, we
boy.
pray that you would bless Tandy today in his new endeavor, Lord, that it would all come crystal clear, it would all come to him, that he would learn it fast, he would learn it quick, and he would make a ton of money to pour back into your kingdom. In Jesus' name, amen.
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 Give him that power.
Woo! Activated,
Oh.
baby.
Love it.
All I'm
Activated.
missing is the pimp coach just to lay it on and we're getting that prayed in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nah, you'd be doing great, bro. Sometimes it takes a minute to figure out if you're in the right spot or the wrong spot. So, you know, with that other job that you had, you know, sometimes it takes a little bit, and now that you figure that out, you can move on.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. And then Swaggy's video, I was watching that this morning, and I'm like, oh my god.
Which one? Which
Did you
one?
watch it?
The movie
He's
scene
talking
one?
about he's talking about his journey as like the first 2 years I was losing money, making money, breaking even, all that stuff. And then he was like, that's when the shows started coming. And he was like, I started doing those and it took me away from trading. And he was like, I lost myself then. And he was like, just know when you guys are like 2 years into trading and you're almost there, something's gonna pop up and you're going to have to decide either trading or that.
Mm.
I just
Wow.
Yeah, time isn't there yet for you, bro. So go start
That's
your
big
money.
facts, man. That's so true. That's so true.
yeah.
There's always that pivotal moment in one's journey where you are debating on quitting or keeping, you know, moving forward. And that is decision time. Always choose the best decision for your future. Don't ever get caught up on the emotions of right here and right now. Always look towards the future, man, when you're making decisions.
100%. Your heart knows
Yeah.
what the right thing is every single time. Your brain will overthink it, but your heart knows.
Yep. You may have a sidewalk moment.
You know?
I don't know how much of this is like facts, but this is what it says. 40% of people quit trading after 1 month. 80% quit within the first 2 years, and I think it's like 7% remain after 5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sounds about right. And the cool part about it is that it never ends. It's always a cycle. So you always have new people entering the markets that don't know what they're doing, that trying to make money, that get caught up on sells like these, and then you have the experienced guys, right, who are willing to wait. They're willing to hang tight because they've been through those years and they didn't quit. They've been faked out on these moves and didn't
Yeah,
quit.
they got screwed so many times.
Yeah.
They don't want to get screwed anymore, bro.
Exactly.
Speaking for myself, at least.
No, me too. You guys may wonder, how do you stay out of that sell? Like, how does he just like didn't budge on it? Well, I'm telling you, I already explained how many times I got faked out here, and how price will look so perfect and so pretty. And every new trader that knows our system, they'll look at that and they'll say, oh my God, sell's below there. We got a closure. It's breaking the low. I don't care what this guy on YouTube's saying. I'm getting in this thing, man. He doesn't know what he's talking about. And then, you know, there's a reason we say things. We don't just say them to say them.
Just rewind the stream like 30 minutes. We already talked about how this 4-hour candle was going to come back down, make a bottom wick, and then we were looking for a bullish candle to come up and close back above the range.
Yep.
So that the 4-hour could keep moving up bullish, because it wasn't going to keep driving without a bottom wick.
Yep.
We just watched it happen.
And perfect
That
time
comes
for...
with experience. You're not going to know that if you haven't seen it happen hundreds of times.
Yes.
For real.
And guess what time we're coming into? NY Open.
Yes, sir.
Right. So give a like on the stream if you heard that. Sub to the channel since we predicted this and called this out. Now can we get our buys going back up?
Literally yesterday too. Great prediction yesterday, Sam.
Which one? What was? I forget.
Not really calling the sells but the buys, and seeing that the dollar was going to drop more.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And yesterday we pushed
I like
up.
that DXY.
Right, we pushed up yesterday. Price did exactly what we thought it would do. Right now, I didn't take the trade. I don't think you took the trade, Sam. Right? Like
Nope.
once I logged off stream, you guys heard me X that buy stop out, and that was it for me. But price pushed all the way up at that after that, and yeah, man. And what did we say? We said we had a 30-minute celery, and we had a 1 hour celery. And we said we're gonna stick with the higher time frame because the higher time frames, the data there is much stronger. And what do you know, that celery play was a fake out on the 30-minute. It barely drove down and the rest just pushed all the way back up, right? We're going with the 1 hour time frame. So that worked out perfect.
Yeah, that was beautiful. But yeah, I didn't take that. As soon as I said I was done, I was done.
Yeah, I was done.
Volume's dying out. If you do get a trade, it might be choppy.
Yeah. And I believe that was a little bit choppy too. I think it went up like maybe 20 pips, came back down, break even. So probably would have got hit at B, but then it eventually pushed up pretty nice. I think that was right.
Yeah, when did I think I got off the charts right at that massive bullish candle with no bottom wick. I watched it break the lows, and then from there I was like, all right, well, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
And then even there, it's like, bro, you can't even get an entry on that. It went up no bottom wick.
Yep.
It would have to be a breakout. Look where it closed.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. So it looks like we're getting our fake out here, chat. So I'd be pretty comfortable taking buys on the way back up here with the NY volume coming in. Why is that not working? Chances are this right here is going to be our low. So that's where stops are going to be hanging out down below here. And yeah, look, take this thing back up here today.
I think I even drew this 4 hour out in the London session like 4 hours ago.
Hey, yo, there's Johnny boy. Okay, guy got a what? Got a wife beater on. Couldn't. Okay.
Johnny boy.
This is lining up perfectly. Yeah. What up?
Good chat. You see my face now?
You see his face.
Yes, sir. You're beautiful.
He's beautiful. The kid's beautiful.
Nah, I'll be way better when I get my computer set up and shit.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna need a bottom wick though. That's the thing here. We get a bottom wick, I'll be looking to set a buy stop here.
Oh wow, it just went.
If we don't get a bottom wick, then we'll wait for a close up above here at 8:30. Let me grab some water real quick.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Damn, yeah. Yep.
Shit just did a pump fake. There it is again.
Damn.
That might be it. Breaking previous 1 hour highs. Whoa, I got somewhere I gotta be in like 30 minutes and an hour. I think it might just go without the bottom wick. But I'm gonna keep the stream open and I'm gonna keep watching the charts. So if I see, I mean, obviously you guys will be here.
There is a resistance area too.
Yeah, I have one marked up at like 1970.
Yeah.
But alright, I'll see you guys in the chat. I'm gonna head out.
I bet, Sam. Have a good day, man.
Peace. I'll see you guys
Later,
later.
man.
Peace, bro.
I think we got a 1 hour celery play too, right? Yeah.
There's a resistance though, right there. 1969.
Yeah, no. I see it. Oh, where'd Sam go? He did?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, Sam.
G.
Later, bro.
He didn't pull back too.
What happened? GJ?
He didn't pull back too.
Later, Sam. Later, bro. Nico, what up, brother?
Good morning, good morning. Time to eat.
Oh, good day, my friend.
Good day to everyone, man.
The man.
Excited. I got the 100K demo for now. But
Oh, nice,
excited.
dude.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh, bro, I have the most rookie question in the world, bro.
Go ahead, let it rip, bro.
Oh man, it's so embarrassing asking in front of everyone.
Nah,
Alright,
you good.
I just wanna join the trade.
Yeah.
But so you know, all I have is the analyzer, and I just don't know how to go to the Forex to use the 100K.
Oh.
demo.
Okay, so go in your I believe go to your email and there should be a link to the broker. So it'll say Traders Global. Click that, download that platform, and then that's where you'll be able to place your trades on.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, just check the
And
email.
Okay. I probably won't do anything until we have the meeting after and really, you know, get it together. I get it together, but
Okay.
thank you, bro.
Yeah, no, I got you. Yeah, it should be in your email. Let me know if you have an issue there, but it should be there.
Okay, bro. Cool.
Tandy, did Tandy have to go into the office?
Yeah, I saw you left.
Gotcha. Tandy's about to kill it. This is good though. We broke this high. This candle can close above this range at 8:30. Then we should be good. Jay, did you get your everything squared away with that or no?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, perfect.
I have my account, but technically they're running a test like they're trying to make sure that like nothing happens.
Okay.
So there's some accounts that are active and some accounts that are not. I'm
Oh,
gonna check
gotcha.
if mine is active or not. When I place a trade here.
Yours is inactive?
It doesn't say, but they left a message on the bulletin board saying that everybody should have their accounts, but only some accounts are active for the test run until Friday.
Gotcha.
They just want to make sure everything's running good. So if I place a trade and it allows me to do it, then
Yeah.
I guess it's active. But if it doesn't let me, then I guess it's not active.
Wow, man. They got a lot of stuff going on over there, huh? They probably got a lot of of pressure.
That's what happens when you swap over and sell the business to somebody else.
Yeah. They got a lot of sorting out to do.
That's just like any business getting bought out.
So is that what happened? They sold the company?
Yeah. So
Wow.
I don't know the details of it, but there was like this thing going around. I'm not gonna be spreading any rumors because I technically don't know what the fuck happened. But
Yeah.
apparently Ted was under investigation and some shit like that. They wanted to see the books and this and that, and then everybody just started jumping on
Oh, wow.
Ted and saying that he was scamming people and this and that, and then dude just like you notice that he just hasn't been on as much, right?
Yeah, not at all. I haven't seen
It's
anything
because
from
of that. It's like because everybody was like fucking just messaging him, and then there were some people saying that they couldn't withdraw from their account, which is bullshit because I was able to pull out money unless they gave like a they wanted crypto to crypto, but gave like they messed up a number or a symbol or something that they couldn't
Yeah.
receive it. So
Everyone I know was able to withdraw, so
yeah, me too. I mean, I got a couple buddies who trade, and we were able to pull out money, and there's still money there, and it's still here in the account. So I mean, there's nothing. He hasn't scammed anybody or rug pulled anybody, but the fact that you can't really trade it. I appreciate the fact that he's trying to get everything situated correctly, because then you get people placing trades, and then you get, the server ain't working right, so you get glitches, and instead of being the buys, it fucking just sells off, and things like that.
it seems like the bigger 6-figure, 7-figure accounts are the ones having the real issues.
Yeah, I mean, think about it. It's like trying to pull out $10 million from a bank. They ain't gonna give it to you that easy. It's like, yeah, we got it, but I mean,
Yeah.
$10 million.
Yeah. Shit. That's crazy.
$10 million. Who do you think you are, Chelsea Clinton?
$10 million.
Chelsea Clinton. What you talking about, Willis? Johnny Boy wearing the wife beater? Yeah, Johnny Boy's in the wife beater out here.
Oh,
Looking like Goldberg.
I always wondered why they call it wife beater. Is that what they used to beat their wives with so they wouldn't get in trouble for it?
That I have no clue.
It's like wife beater. Interesting. Why not call it a sleeveless tee?
yeah.
Right? Like a tank top.
Yeah, tank top. There we go.
Damn Italians, man.
Oh, they came up with that word? I didn't know.
I think so.
Makes no sense.
Yeah, we're just waiting on 8:30 here.
This is all I'll be wearing, especially when I get down to Florida.
Oh, okay. No shirt gang unless you're in the house and it's freezing. Unless you're in the house or any other establishment, it's freezing in Florida. But outside of that, hot as hell. UK say it a lot, typical beer drinking geezer. That's funny. Beer drinking Budweiser sipping geezer. For a long time I would wear those under my shirts. And then eventually I just stopped. But for years, man, I would just, if I had a shirt on, I had one of those under. And now I'd just be like, why am I wearing this under my shirt? Finally ditched it.
Days.
Finally ditched it.
Wear that.
You wear it underneath the shirt.
Yeah.
I don't know why we did. I don't even know why we did that.
Must have been a 2000s thing. That with your 5XL white tee.
I never wore the
Nah.
long tees. I ain't never do it like that.
Green! Shout out to Green! Green, should I pull the picture up for him?
Pull it up. Get all the way to the shoes.
Nah, maybe when we crack 400 subs, I'll do it. We're 8 away. I still do it. Cold out here. I got a famous pic of me and Green. I think it was at like my 16th birthday, something like that. Classic. Classic. Rejection. We need a bottom wick. That's why I never enter without a bottom wick there, chat. Are you picking up what I'm putting out? Oh, damn, Nico's in the whip. Okay. Hey. We can't hear you though because you're muted. Look at them plaid seats. Okay.
I got my own driver, my chauffeur.
Keep it player. What up, what up, what up? Good morning. Nico's in DR.
I'll go with you. Check out the whip. Let me see if I can get it. I'm on my computer.
Oh man, he's got his computer out. Oh, okay. That's a perfect.
Suzuki,
That's a good DR whip right there.
Suzuki Jimny.
Damn, I like the color.
Thanks, bro.
Is that your girl's whip?
No, it's mine. It's mine.
Oh, okay.
Power Rangers.
Power Rangers. Hey, Nico dash time to eat. I like that. I like
Yeah, have to change it up.
Dang, that's a loyal one right there, chat.
Thanks, bro. No more real estate. I'm dropping real estate for now.
Oh, damn. See, if you weren't patient, waiting for a bottom wick, look at that. Oh, man. Oh, man. Man, oh, man, oh, man. Wow, we broke the high. Came back down. Still waiting. If this 1 hour candle creates a bottom wick and then comes back up to re-break the high, is it valid? Only if the 30-minute close is a closure above, I think. So we got 15 minutes for that. So I personally would much rather wait at this point, being that we have all these rejections in the zone here. Right? Look at all these rejections. We're really gonna need a close above. So hopefully that'll happen. This 30-minute candle could reflip now after making a bottom wick and close above like this. Then I say, yeah, that looks pretty good. If we end up entering off of the 1 hour break of the high again, that's going to be a bit of an impulse entry, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, especially below this range here. Definitely going to need to see this thing close above. My guy's got his laptop in the shopping cart. Come on, man. Keeping it player. My man. My man. Going shopping early today. That's commitment right there. Word. Yeah, because the break of the high would be another good confirmation, right? So if we get a break of the high and we get a 30 closure above, then we are pretty solid on that. And we keep our stops below probably this low here, wherever that low is. But yeah, that'd be best. 4-hour candles still struggling a bit. Yeah, we need 400, man. We're close. Can we crack 400 today? I think we could do it. We're 8 away. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, man, this is your sign. Subscribe. We're trying to get to 400 here today. Hey Nico, tell everyone in the supermarket, subscribe to the channel. Johnny Boy got the red lights going on in there and all that. I'm about to put some lights in here, Chad, so we can make our stream look a little cool.
Got it, bro.
You got it? If we close below the previous support here, is that our range too? Potentially, yeah. I mean, we have a support, right? We have a support now. We have a resistance potentially. That's your next range. Clean candles to the left. Everyone already got stopped out who are impatient on the range 1, right? So possibly grab that liquidity and continue down. Yeah, because everyone who entered on this sell right here, their stops are most likely either the current candle or above this high, and both of those got tapped. So see if we get a trade here today. Been 2 days. Trying to get on the board here this week, right? Last position we had was on Friday. 68 pipper. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Wow. One hour broke the lows. Nasty candle right here. Broke the highs, broke the lows. Yeah, I got tapped that beat. Oh yeah. Yeah, thanks for being honest, right? Thanks for letting people know, because I think sometimes people just think I just say things to say things. But yeah, now you learn from that, right? Now you learn from it. So always wait for that range 2 when you're going against that daily bias there.
Gotta go through certain things to learn it, you know?
Yep.
That's part of the process.
Part of the process, baby. Let's take a look at pound yen here. 820 volume, that's what that was, by the way, that push.
Yeah. Come on, pound yen, pull back, you know?
Yeah. Naughty, naughty. Yeah, gold is wacky this week. Might be able to. I mean, I gotta be somewhere today at 11, but I'll stay on a little bit later if we're waiting for a move.
I'm usually like 10:30, then I'm done.
Yeah, 10:30 is usually my cutoff. It's usually 10. 10's
Yeah.
usually my cutoff, but if we're anticipating a move, I'll stick around to like 10:30. Would comics open affect GJ? I honestly I haven't really tested and sample sized it much on GJ, but I know it works well for anything paired with the US dollar. But I haven't watched it on pound yen to see. Chat, we get to 400 subs today. I'll show you the picture of John and I'll show you the picture of Green. Nah, we might have to get to 500 for Green's picture. Because Green's mysterious. Might have to crack 1,000 for Green actually. Green, if we crack 1,000, can I show him the picture? Not if, when we crack 1,000. Yeah, exactly. The pick of Green's worth at least 1K. But I will show you guys Johnny Boy's picture. His first couple weeks learning about the markets. What was that, John? That was how long ago was that? I sent you the date.
Yeah, November 2020.
2020. So what were you, 15?
Yep.
And now you're 17.
Yep.
Trust me, the pick of Green is definitely worth it. But we get to 400 here today. I'll pull out Johnny Boy's pick. All right, 8:30 is coming in hot. This is good. This is good. Nice push up, nice retracement. We stay above this area here. I think we can continue pumping. Before the market moves, it has to take out all the impatient traders. It has to make some money, grab some liquidity, and then it can continue. That's what the market does. If we can get a massive 5-minute candle right now, that'd be awesome. Push up here, fill this range. Here we go. Here we go. We need a big 5-minute candle here. Big boy. We used to always say never trust the 8 a.m. candle from 8 to 8:30. We used to always say that. Y'all good though? Everyone good? Everyone staying patient here?
Yeah. Feeling enough, dude.
You get paid to wait, man. Hey, good morning. Mazamil in the building. Good to see you. Good to see you here. Y'all good though? There was temptations here, I'm sure, for sells with the break, right? I'm sure there was some temptations here on buys, right? Both would have been stopped out. So hopefully you guys are still chilling. Good morning, Juan. What's going on, brother? How are you, my man? I miss you too, bro. How's everything going down there in Naples today? Bzz, bzz. Juan's in the building. Beautiful weather, I know, it's freaking beautiful out today. Another 85-degree day. Been watching you grow, bro. Love to see it. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate you tuning in. Gotta come visit you guys soon. Next time I head down to visit some family in Fort Myers, I'm gonna stop in. Stop in, say what up. Grab some of that trade club breakfast. Got the breakfast over there. Alright, so this 30-minute candle is going to close up here in 1 minute, so I'm still going to stay out. I'm not going to touch anything in this range here today. If we do get that closure above, though, then I'll look to take positions. Alright, but we're going to need that closure here. Once we get the close, that's when we'll get the volume. Right, after we finally break out of this mess here, that's when we'll get some nice volume coming in. But it's a bit messy in this range here. Oh, you're gonna be in Tampa this weekend? Oh, bro, hit me up. We'll grab some lunch. Yeah, I'm not gonna budge on this one here. This 1 hour candle may continue up, but that's not my move to catch. I'm gonna need a closure above here. Yeah, if you come up to Tampa, bro, let me know. We'll grab a bite to eat and chat, hang out a bit. Appreciate you guys coming by, man. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, give us a like, give us a sub. We're here every day. We're trying to get to 400 here today. We're at 393. I got a nice present here for 400, so let's see if we can get there. We're gonna reveal it. Take a look at how GJ closed on that. Oh, dang. Yeah, we wanted GJ to close above this level here. Let's wait for the 1 hour. 1 hour candle closure above here would be very nice to continue up. We got clean candles to the left hand side. All right, it's a nice range right here. But we're gonna need a closure above. Gonna need a closure above this range here. Once we get that, you'll see another push. Super clean candles here. Pretty bullish on pound yen as well on the higher time frames. Daily candle ripped. that daily celery. But weekly broke the high here too, so we should be able to continue up here on pound yen today. We broke the high. If we're breaking the high, we should be able to fill these wicks up here, and that's where our ranges are, right? So that's a good 70-75 pip range. So we got a little bit more waiting to do.
Yo, I'm better hop off.
Alright, screw school today, bro.
Dude, I know, bro.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You have to get your degree, Johnny boy.
You're funny.
Enjoy,
have a great
brother.
day.
Love you, buddy. See you later.
I'll see you. I'll talk to you later.
Alright, cool.
Alright, cool, man. Peace out, chat.
Peace,
Catch you up tomorrow
peace.
morning. Stay disciplined to your plan. Peace, chat.
Yes, sir.
Peace, Nigo. Catch y'all.
Later, later.
Bye.
Oh, today you hit it up, bro. Yeah. The Trade Club. I need some breakfast at the Trade Club, man. Looks amazing. Fresh omelets. Imagine that, chat. Fresh omelets in the morning every day when you pull up to the trade office. They're doing it different down there. Yeah, so this 1 hour candle's a bit confused here, right? It's broken the high, it's broken the low, it's flipping bullish, back to bearish, back to bullish. When that happens, it's best to wait for a candle to close, right? Wait for this 1 hour candle to close, and then we can find a direction here. But it's looking pretty good, right? If we look at this, we have your push up, your pullback, your push up, small pullback here, never broke the lows, and we should continue up now. Hey Daniel, good morning. Morning. Waniel's in the building. Yeah, nasty range. That's why we stick to our plan, right? And we don't get impulsive. We don't let emotion tug at us, right? We made a plan in the morning in a logical mindset, right? We didn't budge when the emotion started ticking and hitting us, right? A lot of people, I'm sure, broke the logic here on the break of these lows, and price pulled back, and then same thing up here, right? Price broke the highs. The impatient traders got in and got out pretty quick. So the ones that are still patient haven't lost any money today, and we still have preserved capital for the grade A setup. A lot of times what's going to happen is you know, in the beginning or just throughout your journey, you're gonna want to take trades. You know, it's understandable, right? You come to the markets, you want to trade or whatever, but you really got to stay disciplined. Otherwise, the markets are gonna eat you up, man. Like this candle right here, would have just, you know how much money this candle made. The markets are here, lots of money. So we just gotta always remain disciplined, always remain disciplined to the plan. And now what happens is those people who got impulsive and took losses here, they don't have, now that they've taken a loss, they can't really execute on the grade A setup when it comes around, right? A lot of people in their trading plan, they say, oh, if I lose one trade or two trades, I'm done for the day, or whatever the case is, right? And now, you know, a lot of times that would happen to me is I would take a loss here, I would take a loss here, and now I would really be out of capital for the day, right? I would just say, man, I just took 2 losses. I can't trade anymore, right? And then that perfect entry would come. And I wouldn't be able to put my all into that entry because I had already wasted 2 entries and took 2 losses because of my impulsiveness and being just impatient, right? So try to stay away from that. Try and veer away from that impulsive, just wanting to get into a trade type of mentality, and really stick to the professionalism here. If that 4-hour closes bullish, that is a gorgeous play to the highs. Yeah, how's that 4-hour looking? Yeah, very nice, very nice. We got our bottom wick that we talked about earlier, and now we are cruising back up, so looks good. Looking good. If that's our support, then this is perfect, right? You gotta supports, right? Prices continuing to move up here. Oh, is that a trend line? Whoa. Yeah, go back and watch the stream in the beginning, because we literally called all this before it even happened. So 15 minutes just in this nasty range too. We're really gonna need a breakout. Once we get that breakout, that's when the volume is gonna pump in here. And again, this daily candle right here, right? If we're looking at this from a daily standpoint, if we break this high, where are we going? Right? We're gonna push up into these ranges up here today. You know, if we break this high, this candle can really start pumping. So there's an opportunity to have runners here as well today. Nick, what's your thoughts on GJ on the 4-hour? Technically, if it closes at this level, it's closed into a new range. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, we want to see a close above here. So if we do close above here at the end of the hour, we got a clean range here to the left hand side that we'll definitely be looking to take advantage of. Definitely. Gonna need that closure though, because if 30 minutes rejected it a few times here, and as long as we can close above, then yeah, that looks money. Looks good. I think it's just waiting for a 1 hour candle to close above, and then we're straight. We've picked up a lot of liquidity here as well, down in these ranges. A lot of wick rejections. Where could you send me a chart? Send it in the Discord. So right here, charts for stream. You can send it right here in this section, and we'll take a look at it. If you're not in the Discord, the link is in the links in the bio. Yeah, send the chart. We'll take a look at it. Oh wow, look at this. Look at that. Damn. Wow. Wicked 4 hour candle. $15-minute, about to close here. Let's take a look. So GJ got buys above there. 62,931. Yep, looks clean above this high. Yep, fill this range. Buys above there. Yeah, that would have been clean too. And then sells below. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. We're pretty bullish, so I like that you have sells below here. Being patient on your sells. Yeah, looks good. Looks good, bro. Yeah, you just need a closure. And then you need a bottom wick, right? Patience, discipline, execution. Exactly. Yeah, nice. Nice chart, man. That looks good. Looks clean. Wow, breaking the 1 hour lows now. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I know that's the 4 hour time frame. Yep, but even if you get a close here on this 1 hour time frame, should be pretty good. One hour and 4 hour are all closing up here in a couple minutes. Starting to clean out this range here on us though. Range becomes very small at this point. 23 pips. What I would also like is if we close bullish on the next 30-minute candle. So 9 a.m. to 9:30, and then 9:30 we could run back up to these highs. Bit rangy here though. Not the cleanest week on gold so far. What's today, Wednesday or Thursday? Today is Wednesday. If we do get a close below here, like this, I'll probably stay out. I think I'm gonna wait for closes below here today. Clean down to 1955. NYSE, if we do close below this level, the NYSE open should be able to drive us down pretty nicely. But this range right here is pretty nasty, so I doubt I'll be looking to take positions in that range. Thank God. Hey, yo, 5 away from 400 today. Can we get there? If you're not subbed to the channel, let's get it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, Scott. We're just way up here, right? We're in a difficult area here on the weekly time frame. Price is trying to decide, do we want to break these highs? What are we doing? Are we going to reject like we normally do? Price is coming into unfamiliar territory here. Hit the ceiling and stall, yeah, yup. So we did every time, right? We came up in these zones, pushed back down, came up, pushed back down, came up. I would say I think we should push back down, but there's really even no point in saying that. Because we don't think here. We let the markets think for us. Yeah, we got news coming in tomorrow. I don't think there's any news today. Just this orange folder here at 10. But yeah, tomorrow we have unemployment claims, that'll bring volume. And then Friday we have the news at 8:30 with the price index. So no news today. Why this week is difficult for trading. In fact, we have no major news yet announced. Yeah, not just kind of like what we were just talking about on the higher time frames here. We're you know, we're up in the clouds here. All right, we're up in the clouds at this point. So price is really trying to make a decision where it wants to go. We have no top wick on this weekly candle either. See, this is the monthly time frame here. We're up in the clouds. The real question is, do we close above on Friday? Right? Do we close above? Because that would be a big statement. If we end up closing above this range here on Friday, man, that's going to be crazy. Yeah, GJ needs this closure here. 4 hours looking good though. 4 hours on a tear. We do have a support here, so we'll see if we respect that support. We're right back where we left off on yesterday session, right? Right back here. Haven't taken many 9:30 trades here in March. Only one, two. Minute fake out. Good morning, King Cheppy. Good morning, good morning. How we doing? How we doing today? Moves a mill, you're out? Later, later. Moves a mill's in the building. Rejection. Yeah, one thing I would caution, man, is just stay away. Stay out of this today. It's a nasty range. Look at that 15 minute just all over the place. Super crazy 1 hour candle. Super crazy. Morning, Anthony. Morning, brother. Anything for GJ? Possible buys above here on GJ. Yeah. GJ may be the play today here. Gonna need a 4 hour bottom wick though. And then if we break these highs, got about a 50 pip range. Yeah, it's pretty clean off the 15 minute too. Created a nice support there. Gold is a bit of a mess. We really need a support. One thing I do like is we're not breaking these supports down here. So we're probably grabbing some liquidity to continue up. Let's see, I think the 4 hour closed bear. Oh, closed bullish. Wow. Interesting. GJ not bad. We're gonna need a 4 hour bottom wick here though. If we get a bottom wick here on the 4 hour coming down into this retesting this zone down here, then we could look to take buys. So let's redraw everything here. Let's take a look. New analysis, right? So you have push up here on the 4 hour time frame. We've closed bullish at this point. Let's look left. Let's see where we closed, so we have an idea of where we are on the chart here. Not sure if we have much information. There we go. Okay, closed at this support. Sometimes you gotta scroll back a little bit here. Yeah, if we break that 4 hour low, chances are we're gonna continue down. If we respect it, we do have a wick to fill here. $15 closed back above the range. Let's see if we hold this low. GJ, we're just waiting on a bottom wick here. Oh, damn, we broke the low here. Okay. So now that we've broken this low, high chance we can continue down here. Where's that 30-minute support? Yeah, we've broken this low now. So let's take a look here. 30-minute support. Clean traffic here. Yeah, interesting, very interesting here. There wasn't really anything to the left either showing that we should push up at this closure here in the 4 hours. So this gets interesting. Yeah, it broke the low here on my my MT5, so yeah. GJ, I'm gonna need to see a steeper bottom wick than that. Otherwise, we have 12 pip stops, and if we want to use previous candle, we got 100 pip stops, right? So can't use those. Yep, let's say we stick with what we got here. Because if we close below this support, at that point we are breaking structure, right? So if we're breaking structure, there's a chance that we're gonna push on down. Right now, for gold to continue up, it really has to hold its support here. Sells below 1860, 94, yeah. Yep, especially if we close on the 30 and then 930 kicks in and volume starts pushing us, then yeah. Yep. Should move down now. Yep, after the 4-hour low broke. Yep. Yeah, for me, I'm gonna need to see that support. We need to close below there. I'm gonna need a close below. I'm gonna need it. That resistance and range has been created now. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You got a support, you got a resistance. We re-break this support now, should be gone. Probably move stops to BE right around these areas. Once we start breaking these wicks, should pump some volume in. $15-minute closed. We've got a bottom wick on this 15 now. Let's take a look at this. Doot, doot, doot. Oh, okay, we're 4 away from 400. 4 from 400. Appreciate you guys though, seriously. Really do appreciate you guys. Supporting the channel, tuning in. We got 15 trades this month. We took we're 13 for 15 here this month. 13 wins, 2 losses. It's been a great month. Let's take a look at GJ. Oh yeah, okay. This looks clean. Let's take a look here. Setting up pretty nice. Doot, doot, doot. Yeah, it looks pretty good. If we re-break the high, see if we can get a bottom wick a little bit deeper and then break this high. Might have some buy stops there. Not yet though. Let me get some more water. Give me 1 minute, I'll be right back. Some ice cold apple juice. Y'all like apple juice? I'll be drinking all my kids' apple juice. Whoa, excuse me. 4 away from 400. Can we get 4 subs before the end of the stream today? Can we get 4 subs before the NYSE Open? Love me some apple juice, man. Especially when it's ice cold. Damn. Amazing. So refreshing. Might get a 30-minute celery play here on GJ here, huh? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, apple juice is a banger, man. Nothing like cold, super cold. It's got to be really cold though. It's really cold right now. $33 likes. Appreciate you guys, man. Seriously. Messages now about people who are just loving the streams. They're being more disciplined than they've ever been in their trading. They're starting to feel like professional in their trading. They're not just making random decisions, right? Just taking a trade just to take a trade, and that's the growth process. You know, when you're talking like that, you know you're getting somewhere with your trading. When you're starting to be more professional, be more selective, right, with the trades that you take, that's how you know you're onto something. So proud of everyone for that, man. Good work. You know what's funny too? I've also been getting some messages from some big time traders talking about, we noticed the channel, you want to promote this, you want to promote that. If you like apple juice, give the stream some likes. The only thing I'm promoting is a closure above or below the range, baby. That's what I'm promoting. But yeah, yo, y'all would make my day if we got 400 subs by the end of the session here. That'd be lit. The goal is really to help you guys, right? I mean, I could sit here and trade by myself, but I'm doing this for you guys. You know, I wanna really be able to be that guy that I wish I had when I first started trading. And once I found guys like me, like Don and Raja and them, man, they took my game to the whole next level. And that's what I'm hoping I could do for you guys. Especially with just being selective, man. Being selective in your trading, not taking anything, right? Not having shiny object syndrome where everything looks good and everything looks amazing. Remember, the market's job is to trick us, right? It's to fool us a little bit, so. You're getting pretty nice ranges here on the 5. It's a nice dip down. We're gonna wait for the NYSE Open here in 10 minutes. Hey Scott, I didn't look at that DRC yet, bro, but I'll look at it when we jump off stream here today. Love looking at Scott's DRC. For those that don't know, DRC, daily report card. He tracks every day, super detailed on every day. What he did right, what he did wrong, what he could do better. Ask for feedback, right? That's how you know you're making moves, right? As a trader, you got to be hungry. If it's time to eat, you better be hungry. You gotta be hungry. We live. I'll give you guys a little example of Scott's DRC so you can really see how detailed he keeps it, man. Nick, could you share your journal? I want a copy used for tracking, currently tracking in OneNote. Yeah, if you go to our Discord, so we also have a free Discord here. You can come in here. I put it in the announcements section. If you scroll up here a little bit, right here. So there's the journal. I got that from Controller FX, so shout out to him. He made this, did an incredible job at it. It's what I've been using. So link is here, and yeah, you can track all your trades right in here. Give you guys a sneak peek at the daily report card. This is how you know you're treating every day very serious. This is every day for Scotty Boy. Every day. And he is learning, he is growing. I believe he's having the best month to date, if I'm not wrong. And I see the improvements, and I am very proud of him, man. Really making strides in his trading. But very detailed. And by the way, this is a no trade day. This is a no trade day. Imagine no trades for me today, right? But imagine on a trading day, there's even more detail. Amazing. Can you explain my Forex funds evaluation program? How it works, 2 to 3 months of phase, and how we will get paid out. Yeah, so basically they have a phase 1. You got to hit 8% in 30 days. If you end that month and let's say you're 6% up, not quite at 8%, you can email them and they will give you an extension. So they'll give you like a 15 day extension. And you could start at your whatever your balance is at let's say 6%. You start back at 6%, and you got like 2 weeks to do that. You pass the challenge, they will immediately send you a credentials for phase 2, and then phase 2 is 60 days. You got to hit 5%, so you get plenty of time to do that. And then once you're funded, you'll get your account. 30 days is going to be your payout. When you get your payout, you can either do it in crypto, or they have what they call a deal account, where it's a straight bank transfer. So that's probably the best thing, because then you don't have to go through crypto. You just go straight bank wire right to the account. And when you get your first payout, you're going to get 75% of what you made. You're also going to get your initial investment back, and then you're also going to get some profits off of some percentages off of the profits that you made. So it's a small percentage, but it's still something. And then from that point forward, you can get paid out every 2 weeks. So, and then you go to 80%. So your second payout will be 80%, third payout 85%, and then they also have a VIP program where if you do qualify for that, you're able to get 90% payouts, and you can withdraw anytime you want. So if you make money one day, you can withdraw it that day. And they're probably the best in my opinion, especially with the whole bank transfer. You don't have to go through crypto or anything like that. It's pretty good. Pretty good.
Yo, Nick, quick question, brother.
What up? What up? Talk to me, player.
The MQL5, I got the market 5 thing.
MT5.
Then it's like a bunch of different, MT5. Then it's like a bunch of different things I could get. I'm just not sure where to go.
Yeah, don't do. Hold on, let me try and. Let me see that over here. So yeah, don't do any of that. Go back to. Do you see like a chart? Can you see charts at all? Or maybe go back to the email.
Okay, back to email. Yeah, from my Forex funds.
Yeah.
I went into the please download your platform by clicking here, and that's what it gave me.
Perfect. And then did that download on a separate separate tab?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see that. Click that and let me see.
Okay.
All right, perfect. Does it say MT4, MT5?
Yeah.
Yeah, do MT5 do MT5.
Yep, that's the one I signed up with, and then but yeah, that's basically what I have here downloaded.
Okay, so you got it downloaded already. So
yeah,
go up
looks
to
like that.
Nah, that's not it. Go click MT5 again.
Okay. Download.
And then that should be in your files. So try pulling that from your files now.
Okay.
Yeah, scroll down, accept all that. Which program do you suggest? It's all preference, right? I think the evaluation, once you get everything done, that's going to be your best in terms of payouts. But I know they'll give you accelerated as well. But the thing with the accelerated is the payout structure is a bit different. I think it's like 50-50 or 60-40 or something. All right, I'm gonna look to, once this 30-minute closes, I think we're gonna have buy stops here at the break of this high. So we got 2 minutes for that 30-minute candle to close, but we respected the low here beautifully on the 30. 1 hour as well, looking pretty clean. Is that what keeps popping up, Nico?
Yeah.
So you accepted all that like term or whatever?
Oh, here it is.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I got it.
Yeah, it's downloaded.
It's in
now.
The web terminal.
Yeah, yep, yeah. So yeah, wait for that to download and then you'll have it up there.
Oh, should I get started with the account? It says. Oh shit. Okay, yeah. It says 100 USD, 100K, Forex hedged USD. Oh shit. I mean, it doesn't get started until my first trade anyway, I think.
Correct. Yep. So once you take your first trade, that's when everything will start. It'll be activated at that point.
Okay.
And we may get a trade here pretty soon, so.
Bro, dude.
Yeah, I'll when we get on Zoom later, I'll help you customize it too, so it looks good.
Okay, I'm not touching anything. I'm pumped, man.
He's lit. Yeah, gold is not much here happening on gold today. All right, so 30-minute candle close. Let's take a look at pound yen. We closed bearish, but above this range. So I am going to have some buy stops here. So buy stops are going to be at the break of the highs. Stops are going to be below the 1 hour candle. And yeah, that's going to be the trade. Stops are going to be below here. And yeah, that'll be the trade if we get activated. Let's take a look at gold. What's gold doing? Pushing up here. Let's see, how much range does this wick fill? Gold I may let go because I really don't want to trade in this range, but chances are we start driving down here. We have the NYSE volume coming in. This wick should get filled. But yeah, this range is a bit sketchy, man. A bit sketchy. Stops our current 1 hour on GJ, yeah. Yeah, because we basically have a 30-minute celery play. You can also keep your stops below this candle as well. Not a bad idea. If we break those highs, that stop should not get hit. But I'm probably gonna keep mine below the current 1 hour candle. So previous 30-minute. Yeah, gold, pretty simple. But the plan on gold was to wait for this closure below, and that's what I'm gonna stick to. Even if it is NYSE, still gonna stick to that plan. Let me draw this out for you guys. So Vista position here on pound yen. It's gonna look something like this. Buys above here. Stops are gonna be this current, previous 30-minute candle. And TP is going to be up here. Let's take a look. We'll probably look to target these highs. So pretty much like this. If you want, you could also, this is a celery play, so you could also keep your stops right here if you're more comfortable with that. So we got a 30 pip stop for like a 65 pip TP here. Let's fix this up. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. Looks pretty good on the 15 too. Stayed above this range here. Nothing for me today, heading off. Thanks for the stream. Yup. Good work, George. Good work, brother. We'll see you mañana. Yeah, you see that pullback there on gold. But the reason for this trade is pretty simple. You had a push up. We're very bullish on GJ, right? We're pretty bullish here. You've got a nice push up. You have a 4-hour close above this range, which is really nice. You have a pretty decent bottom wick at this point. And the 30-minute has closed above this area for NYSE. And that is the reason, right? If we get a break of these highs, then price shouldn't have a problem continuing up. If not, then we won't get activated. So if these highs break, then it's a pretty good deal. You also have London close coming up too. So you could even wait for like a 1-hour celery. But that's going to be the position. We respected the 1-hour low. We respected the 30 low. So yeah. Gold pushing back up. I know someone took themselves. I know someone did. Peace. Peace, George. I know someone took them. Hey, 400 subscribers. Shout out to you guys. Appreciate you guys, man. Damn.
Congrats.
That's love right there. Thank you guys. Thank you, man. What a blessing, man. Appreciate you guys subbing to the channel. Big dubs. Big dubs. 400. 400, man. Thank you guys so much, man. Wow. I knew we'd get there today. I had faith in y'all. Excuse me. Wow. Amazing. Amazing to think that 400 people would subscribe to a channel to watch us talk about trading, and it's been quite the journey here. So the trading journey has been quite a while, right? We've fine-tuned the craft, and now we're on to the YouTube journey here. So 400 subscribers, man. Thank you guys, man. What a blessing. What a blessing. Does that mean I have to show you guys now the video, the picture of Johnny Boy when he first started 2 years ago? Wow, y'all made my day. And guess what? We stayed out of this sell here. Right? What did I say? I'm not getting in these sells. I don't care if it's the NYSE open. Don't matter. We need that support to break. What do? We rejected. And now we've created a top wick for Buddy over here. We still may be able to get our buys. Let's wait for 10 a.m. Maybe this is going to be our support here. Wow. Cheers though. Cheers to 400. Now we definitely need a position here. GJ is still working. Pushing down a bit. Stops are going to have to be below the 1 hour. Let's see. See if we respect this 1 hour high here. I mean, 1 hour low, I'm sorry. Tapped, pulled back, nice. Yeah, so if we can create a support here, then we could look to take positions here at 10 a.m. But we need to see this. If we see this, then we will 100% look to take buys coming back up. Price has been moving a bit later on in the session on gold, so I could definitely see this happening here today. You create a nice support right here. Break resistance. Push on up. Pushing. Big W, yep. Huge milestone. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you. Thank y'all, man, for real. You guys are awesome. Well, when I started this stream, I had one goal in mind, man, and that was really to take what I've learned, take all the mess ups and all the F ups that I've experienced and try and save you guys from going through that experience and just speed up your process a little bit, right? I know some of you guys got families and your kids are important, man. They're important to me also. It's a lot deeper than trading for me, and your families, your freedoms, like that's all super important, because freedom is real, and if you knew how good it was, you would be doing everything in your power to get there. So super excited for you guys and this channel. The more it grows, the more people we can impact, the more families we can impact, and the more people we can help become free. So that is the mission. That is the call on my life. It's been a call for years and years and years to help families become free, and this is just the vehicle to get it done. God has called me to free a nation. Here we go. Here we go. Let's break this high, push up. 15-minute candle is going to close. Very nice. Perfect. See how we're looking here. Okay. Respecting the 1 hour low here. If we do get to the last 15, so once this 15-minute candle closes, I'm probably gonna delete the buy stop, and then we'll re-add it, because we could possibly get a 1 hour celery play here. So get something to look like this, right? We get a candle to close. Candle to close above, just like it has, right? You see the candle, and then as long as this candle right here can close above the zone as well, something like this, that would be perfect. All right, this would be perfect. Looks deeper bottom wick. So forget about this candle right here. Just pretend that that's what we're looking at. Next candle at 10 a.m., which is the London close. I believe it switches like a couple times throughout the year. But this is what we could possibly see here. So that's what we'll be looking for on pound yen. Probably going to delete the buy stop now. 15-minute candle closed. And wait for this setup right here. Let's see how the 15 closed bearish below. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna delete that buy stop and wait for the 1 hour close here. And we might just have a position on gold. I want to see this 1 hour candle close like this. GJ respecting 30 lows. Hey, my first time watching. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you coming by. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe. Make it 401 for us. But yeah, we're here every day. Nano. So you're more than welcome to continue joining, continue plugging in. Any questions you have, you're more than welcome to answer them in the, ask them in the chat. And we have a free Discord as well, so if you can, you'll see it in our bio, Discord right here. So come on in. Oh baby, Sammy boy's at the poker table, man. Oh, Gino, this is like stealing money from a baby. Oh, that was last night. Yeah, good work. Good work. Oh, perfect gold. Perfect. Not gonna lie, gold's starting to excite me here, boys. Boys and girls. Hey, we got 401. Let's go. So we officially cracked 400. Now we are officially on our way to 500. Amazing. Amazing. Let's get it. Yeah. Hey. Say hi to everyone. Say hi, everybody. Say good luck on these gold buys. Lele's here because we cracked 400 subs. She had to make an appearance. Say hi to everyone. You wave. Alright, can we get this closure above? We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. This is exactly what we're looking to see. This will be perfect. We'll We'll have a nice support at this point. And we could bounce right off. You dancing? Hey, 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 hey. What a beautiful girl you have, dude. God bless her. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know what? You're gonna go. Yeah. I'll see you in a little bit. Shut my door. Shut the door for me. Thank you. Thank you. Later. All right. Gotta love it. Gotta love the kids, man. Ooh, we broke the 1 hour low here. I subscribed already. Awesome. Yeah, I think you pushed us over 400. So big subscriber right there. I think this channel is gonna take you to the next level if you're not there already, my friend. Thank you for subbing. Seriously, thank you all for subscribing to the channel, man. We got really big plans for this channel. Also going to be dropping a course. It's going to be a free course that I'm working on. It's going to be just for free. Put it in the YouTube. It's going to be a beginner friendly course. Also going to be a lot of advanced techniques as well. A lot of the little nuances that we cover. So that'll be coming soon for y'all. I was going to release it video by video, but I'd rather just do the whole work and put it out for you guys. Everyone staying patient with me here today. We're just waiting for our exact setup. And just like that, we're on our way to 500. Here we go, here we go. Yasmin Reg, appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in. All right, chat. Let's lock it in here. Let's lock it in. We got a few more minutes here. Would be lovely if gold could push up right now and break through all these highs. And then pull back a bit so we can have a top wick. Right? Something like that. Beautiful to see. We also have, do we have anything coming up here? Yeah, so we have pending home sales as well. Oh wow, they're expecting way lower numbers here. Eight to 3. We're gonna need a bottom wick as well, because we're gonna need a stop loss. right? We need a stop loss here. Hey Nick, I have a funded account with a drawdown of 5% of 12%. Do you think it's responsible to trade with a 0.5%? I have 5 months with this account, but it's been hard to keep up. So 0.5% is, you're really not going to get anywhere with that. If you're trying to climb out of a 5% drawdown, I would just risk 1 to 2%, right? Because then you still got plenty of room for that 12% limit there, and you really want to get yourself out of that drawdown. You don't want to force any trades. You want to wait, like just like we're waiting now, for the right setups. And when those setups do come, I would throw like at least 1 to 2% risk on it, and climb out of that drawdown and get back into the positive on that account. 5% is light. 5% is light, but if you're risking 0.5%, then 5% becomes pretty tough to get to, right? So yeah, I would up it a little bit, but again, make sure you're just taking quality setups, not quantity but quality. So less is more, and yeah, I think you'll be able to pull yourself out of that drawdown, no problem. I had somebody I'm working with, they were like 4% in drawdown, and we got that back in 1 day. 1 day. Yeah, and if you haven't, I'm not sure if you tap into the streams on a regular basis or if you trade the way I trade, but you know, if you need some help, come, that's what we're here for. So come tune into the streams every day, and yeah, I think you'll be pretty good, man. But congrats on having your account, right? That's a good accomplishment right there. Oh, you trade just like me and Don. All right, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, mostly everything I learned was from Don and Raja here, so that's the way I trade. So if you've tuned in with them, then you know pretty much exactly how we like to trade here. I don't use the 5 minute much, only on very, very high volatility days, but other than that, I use the 15, 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour for entries. Yeah, I will just take the trades from the live streams and appreciate it. Yeah, absolutely, man. Can we get that closure? What do we got? 2 minutes? See if this 5 is making a bottom wick to pump up. Close above, that'd be nice. We've been waiting all morning for this. Who's seen that new Creed? I was thinking about seeing that. Heard it was pretty good. Does it come out? I think it comes out in the end of the month in movies. If we don't get this closure, which it's not looking like we're gonna get, I'll hang around for the news and see if the 15-minute candle can close above, or the next 30-minute. But then if we don't get the closure by 10:30, we'll probably most likely range at that point, and probably call it a day. So no close above here just yet. It was looking like it. So we got news coming out right now. Let's see what happens here. But I guess you can say we officially have a support on the 1 hour time frame. But we really got to close above here because there's just been a lot of rejections. So if a candle does close above, it's done with what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1 hour candles could not do. And if it does close above, then it should be able to pop. So this is the news here coming out. It was at 8. Oh wow, look at that. Damn. Previous was 8. They were expecting 3. Barely got 1. Wow. Ray, check out Magic Keys. They will help with your risk management and make trading simple. Yeah, check out Magic Keys, right? I'm not sure if you have that, but a great tool there. What's GJ doing? Ah man, GJ closed below. Yeah, get rid of those buy stops, chat. 4 hours still okay, but you may get a fake out here on the 1 hour. Looks like this candle wants to flip bullish. The only reason I'm not taking a buy here is because of all these rejections. And logically, we really need to close above here. But this is good. Looks like we've got a support. We've created a new low. Right, you have a low, a new high, a new low. So we should continue up. But this will be the last straw for today. If we can get up there, we'll take a trade. If not, we'll come back tomorrow. Discipline always pays off. When the win column is when you're stacking wins in the column here over losses, that's how you know you're being disciplined. Chat, some people take 15 trades a day. Trust me, when I was new, I was taking 15 trades a day. And I know there's a lot of people that still do that. See, do we have a 1030? No 1030 trades here at all yet this month. Yeah, if we don't close above, we're probably gonna range. Probably just range around here. $20 pips a day makes a 9 to 5 go away. Yes, sir. You know that. You know that. GJ? 4 hours still pretty clean here on pound yen. Oh, the other little guy's up. Maverick is hungry. That boy's hungry. I'm sure you guys can hear him in the background. If not, now you can. $40 likes. Thank you guys, man. Thanks for liking the stream. Helping us out. See if we can get this 30-minute to flip up, close above. The one thing I don't like is that we broke the 4-hour low. That's the one thing that's kind of annoying me right now. Broke that 4-hour low. We break the high here. Yeah, there's a chance that you get this wick fill and then you just range. Like you get this wick fill, like there's a chance the candle close like this. And we just never close above. But not too interested in that wick fill. Really want to see a close above. But it looks like you got a nice support, right? London been stealing the bigger moves lately, yup. Yep. I actually have 6 months watching Don stream and yours for like 1 month now, but I lack confidence when it comes to risk because I feel like I will take some L's and get to the 12 drawdown. Yeah, I mean, there's always going to be risk in trading, you know. All we can do is act on our sample size data, right? The only job that we really have here, and I talk about this a lot lately, is that the only job we have is to execute on our setups that we know that we have sample size data on, that you know you have X amount of percentage of a win rate, right? Other than that, the results are outside of our control. So as long as we're sticking to those quality setups, then your probability on your win rate should play out for the most part, right? You know, for the celery play last year, I had a 92% win rate. For, you know, onions and breakouts, they were more like 80 to 85%, and those are still really, really good probabilities, right? So 8 out of 10, you're most likely going to win, but there's always going to be, you know, a risk of losing the trade. So I believe if you're sticking with the right system and with the same system consistently, then you can probably start to, you know, make it tilt a little bit towards your favor. But if you're jumping around a bit in different strategies or different time frames, it gets a bit tricky, because you know, you're not really letting the overall probability play itself out, because you're taking different setups and different techniques, right? Because I know Don trades a lot on the 5 minute now, so that's gonna be a lot different than what we trade. You know, same concepts, but it is a different system, you know? So whichever one you like best, whichever one you're most comfortable with. For me, I like sticking on like the 30 minute to the 1 hour time frame. That works best for me. I've tried the 5 minute and I've gotten destroyed on the 5 minute time frame. So in my brain, I say, okay, how do I fix this? Well, let me not trade based off the 5 anymore. Nothing wrong with the 5 minute. Nothing wrong with any system, any strategy. Guess what? All strategies work. It's just, are you putting in enough time to understand how they work? And then are you also now trading that system consistently and not deviating for the probabilities to play out in that system? So that way you can actually have your sample size data. So yeah, I would just keep that stuff in mind and make those adjustments that you need, make those little tweaks that you need, and you should get a better win rate. But yeah, it doesn't look like gold's gonna do much here. So remember what we talked about, right? We're probably gonna get that wick fill, but close back down here, looking like that's gonna be pretty accurate. We'll wait for this 15 to close, see how we close. Not looking the greatest, so probably just call it a day here, chat. It was a good stream. Way to be disciplined, way to be selective. If you do get a 1 hour close above here, I think you're pretty good on buys, but probably gonna call it a day here. Don't usually speak ill of Goldie, but she's a bit trashy today. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'll wait for this 15 to close and see where we're at. But 15's looking pretty nasty. 30's looking alright. 1 hour's looking alright. 4 hours bothering me though, because we broke the low. Yeah, I'm more comfortable with the 30 minute and the 1 hour for sure. Thanks for helping, Nick. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's all kind of whatever you're most comfortable with, you know. If I've always learned, higher the time frame, stronger the data. So I like to stay on the 30 minute and the 1 hour. That's where I've had the best results. So I don't really try and you know the good old saying, like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So that's kind of my thoughts that in that situation. Yeah, there's more news here at 10:30. $30 minute also, you kind of need If you're basing off the 30-minute, you kind of need to close above here anyway. It's a bit of messy price action right here. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here, chat. I don't think we're gonna get anything. We'll come back at it tomorrow. It was a great stream though. 400 subscribers, man. Appreciate you guys. If you can on the way out, like the stream, subscribe to the channel. It was a good one today. We went over a lot of great things. We displayed patience, right? We talked about not getting impatient on these break of the lows and why we're not entering on those break of the lows, why we weren't entering on the break of these highs. There was a lot of good stuff in here, so run the stream back when you have time, especially if you're still in that impulsive state of your trading. There was a great display of patience here today. So other than that, appreciate you guys, man. Thank you for all the subs. We're now officially on our way to 500 and officially getting closer and closer to seeing that picture of green. So love you guys, man. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see y'all same time mañana. All right, peace. Later.
Just waiting on my moment. Bad hoes, I'm showing it. Time came and I owned it, just like Brian Jackson start bowling. When I touched the block and I cracked the block, when I pulled up and that mustard drop with that roof off and my shoes off for y'all bitch niggas. Roof off, real nigga in my hood who everybody gon' roof off. They see me come from that bottom where everybody get bodied. They told me get him, I got him. Now I'm here, nigga, like yeah, nigga, just Rolls Royce and Bugattis and M4s this year, nigga. If I don't grind, I don't shine. If I don't shine, then I don't eat. If I don't eat, then I'ma starve. And if I'ma starve, I pour heat. All y'all bitch ass niggas, all y'all rich ass niggas. If I don't make no money, nigga, I'm gonna take your money, nigga.
Try to live it every day like everything's alright. Every night just one thing on my mind. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. You say, oh, you got that, oh shit, hell no. Next time that's mine. As long as I stay hustling, I'm gon' shine.